AI is changing our world. It's being used in healthcare, information technology, content writing, finance, transportation, and many other fields. Healthcare, AI can help diagnose diseases, develop treatments, and provide personalized care. Information technology, AI can automate tasks, improve security, and develop new products and services. Content writing, AI can generate content, improve grammar, and personalize content. Finance, AI can manage risk, make investment decisions, and provide financial advice. Transportation, AI can power self-driving cars, optimize traffic flow, and improve safety. AI has the potential to make our lives better in many ways, but it's important to use AI wisely and ethically.